Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys. On the second video we'll take a look at the gold market as usual. So here on the daily chart nothing has changed, so market keeps the same scenario that we discussed yesterday. We suggest that the price behavior that we see here mostly looks bullish because when the market turns down it behaves differently. So it doesn't show usually the consolidation before the previous stops, and the reversal usually take the sharp shape, reversal to the downside, because when the market turns down it is driven by fear, and fear is stronger feeling that the greed, so usually shows some acceleration. But when the market starts turning and twisting around the previous top, forming some kind of the triangle, as you can see, it means that mostly, it's some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure here exists. This market is forming higher tops, but the trend stands bearish, so it means that market will show the upward action. So on the daily chart nothing has changed. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we still keep watching for our butterfly. Here you can see that the grabber that we have discussed yesterday had been erased, market standing higher from the 618 level. Everything goes well. Interesting that take a look at the butterfly target coincides with the inner AB equals CD pattern. So it's mostly the same target, stands at 1770, that coincides with the daily butterfly target as well. You can see 1770 as well. So that's our first destination point that we'll keep an eye on. Meantime, on hourly chart, market has formed minor ABCD pattern right at the agreement, the 1720 area. In the current circumstance, guys, as we're coming to non-farm payroll release, gradually volatility could rise, and I think that it's a bit early to withdraw this target. So yes, it has not been reached. Market shows healthy reversal right at the 618 support, starting tending higher, but I think that we should keep in mind still this level. So because that's theoretically chance still exists that it could hit the target first and then shows reversal. That's possible. But anyway, just be aware of this level. So hitting of the XOP doesn't mean that the bullish scenario is over. It's just some obligation to the normal price action, so market just tending to hit the major target. Chances now are melting gradually that this target will be hit because market shows the acceleration to the upside. And if it will move above the C point, ABCD pattern will be erased. That definitely tells you that no action to the XOP will happen. But currently, as market just has completed ABCD, creates an agreement resistance 1720, who knows what will be on the unemployment release and on tomorrow's employment data as well. So while we're watching positive on the gold, this some risk factor exists that this target could be hit. Just keep in mind this level. So if you would suggest taking new long position, some pullback here and some retracement, don't forget that this level could be reached, and this will not mean the erasing of the bullish context. So that will make you to think on how better to take the position, where to place the stop. In such circumstances, it would be better to stick with the clear patterns that you have, where you could place some stops, or just be aware of this level and decrease your trading position, trading volume. That's to make possible the placing stop somewhere below this area. So others who have longs already, you could move stops to the break-even and see just what will happen in the nearest future. So that's what we have on the gold. Mostly the same view. We are watching for the upward continuation. We have the short-term bullish view on the gold, and currently we do not see any reasons for taking the short position. Instead of that, we are suggesting that 1770 area really could be reached.